And welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve one of the problem of unit and dimension that were asked in Oxford University Physics Admission Test 2020 exam. So the problem is the island number EU has no units. It is used in flood flow calculation. It depends on the pressure P, density rho and flood velocity V such that EU is equal to P to the power A, rho to the power V and V to the power C. So here a relation has been given uh, E as EU is equal to P to the power A, rho to the power V and V to the power C, where A, B, C are constants. So here we will find the relation. We will find the ratio A ratio V ratio C in its simplest form, and here A, B, C are positive or negative integer. So let me solve the problem. So let me write the given expression here. A is equal to P to the power A, rho to the power V and B to the power C, and write the dimension for each of these physical quantity. So EU is dimensionless because it is a number. So its dimension will be m to the power 0, l to the power 0 and t to the power 0. P represent pressure here. So pressure dimensions can be found by using the relation P is equal to force upon area. So P is equal to force dimension mlt minus 2 and upon area dimension will be L square. So pressure will be equal to ml minus 1 T minus 2. So let me write the dimension of pressure here, ml minus 1 T minus 2 to the power A, and rho represent the density here. So let me write the dimension of density. Density dimension can be found by using the relation mass upon volume. So its dimension will be ml minus 3 to the power b, and velocity dimension will be lt minus 1 to the power c. So let me adding the powers of same base. So m to the power will be equal to a plus v, l to the power will be equal to minus a minus 3b plus c, and 2 to the power equal to minus 2a minus c. So let me create the powers of on both side of the same base. So a plus b equal to 0, 2a minus c equal to 0, minus a minus 3b plus c equal to 0. So for this equation we can find v equal to minus a, and from this equation we can find c equal to 2a. So for finding the ratio of a, v and c, we can write a, b, v equal to minus a, so we can write here minus a, c equal to 2a, so we can write here 2a, c equal to 2a, and then we can find the ratio 1 minus 1 and 2. So this will be the answer for the given problem of Oxford University Physics Admission Test. So this will be video will be more helpful for all of those who are preparing for physics admission test of Oxford University for physics graduation course, for engineering course or material science course. So thank you very much. Share and subscribe my YouTube channel for further updates.